severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Huntersville, near Davidson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, damage. Source. This dangerous storm will be Mooresville around 6:30 a.m. Around 7:40. Network, China Grove and Landis 6:50 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement on the left building. Avoid windows. Keep your outdoors. Move to the closest. Protect yourself. Report hail or flooding to the National Weather Service. Call toll free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or send it using hashtag SWS. Your message describe the event and the specific location. A tornado warning issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties: North Carolina, Iredell, and Brand. Northern Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, western Pennsylvania County, the city of Martinsville in south central Virginia, southwestern Bedford County, Henry County, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, Franklin County and west central Virginia, until 9:15 a.m. Martinsville, Rocky Mount, Stewart, and Copper Hill. This includes the following locations of Martinsville. This is the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send the reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Birmingham and Stokes, and the following counties: in Virginia, Henry, Patrick, and Pennsylvania, and the Virginia independent city of Martinsville. Martinsville in south central Virginia, Bedford County, Henry County, Franklin County, and west central. High 9:15 Western Rockingham, eastern Floyd, western Pennsylvania. City of Martinsville. Point. Impact. Field. Henry. Stoke. Entries. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Bedford, Rocky Mount, Alta Vista. It was hold. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Winds. For your morning recovery. For the fall. Is a special weather, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, thunder excess of 30 issued until 10 a.m. for the following county: Rockingham, North Carolina, and the following counties: in Virginia, Henry and Pennsylvania, and the Virginia. Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alabama. At 9:20. Sighting entries. Lookesboro, Burlington, Asheboro, Graham. The primary time percent precipitation for the year still stands at 30. And now the extended outside. A room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for lightning. Up to ground. Total snowfall. Shelter inside a well away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Guilford, Orange and Randolph. Here is a special weather statement. The conditions are favorable. Severe weather, including damaging winds, and may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert to changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning level. 15 a.m. for the following counties. This is NOAA. To 7 miles northeast of Siler City. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. There have been reports from spotters of penny-sized hail and tree damage from the line. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. Sighting, entries. Entries include Durham, Chapel Hill, Graham, Roxboro, Hillsboro, Carborough, Mebane, Rougemont, Concord, and Haw River. For your protection, move to an interior floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Durham, Orange and Person. This is NOAA. The following The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Mecklenburg County, Eastern Lunenburg County, Nottoway County, Northwestern Dinwiddie County, Northwestern Brunswick County until 12:15 p.m. At 11:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Hill, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Cambridge and Dundas around 11:55 a.m. Fort Pekin around 12:10 p.m. Blackstone, Nottoway, Spainville and Wilson's around 12:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Gary, Bacon's Fork, North Wellville, Irby, Gill's Corner, Barrow's Store, Murdoch's, Forkland, The Falls, and Forksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakeFieldBA. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Virginia, Brunswick, Lunenburg, and Mecklenburg. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cumberland County in central Virginia, southeastern Prince Edward County in central Virginia, northwestern Lunenburg County, northwestern Nottoway County, southwestern Amelia County in central Virginia, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Green Bay, or near Victoria, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will be near Burkeville around 12:05 p.m. Crew and Rice around 12:10 p.m. Jetersville around 12:20 p.m. Amelia Courthouse around 12:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Prince Edward Station, Arvin Store, Twin Lakes State Park, Rudolphville, Nutbush, Burke's Tavern, Schofield, Moran, Painville, and Maplewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakeFieldBA. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following county: Lunenburg, Virginia. West Central Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, Central Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Little Rock, or near Dillon, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Roland, Hammer, south of the border, Purvis, Little Rock, McDonald, and Rainham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Northeastern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 3:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near south of the border, or 7 miles east of Dillon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Fairmont, Roland, south of the border, Barnesville, Octorville, McDonald, Orem, and Rainham. The tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Storm watch means the conditions are alert and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remember it was partly commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. south of Lumberton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Blade Memorial, Boardman, Bladen Community College, Abbotsford, Butters, Evergreen, Hestertown, Clarkton, Dublin, and Orem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County and central North Carolina, southwestern Harnett County and Carolina until 4:30 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Mostly cloudy with hail damage to vehicles is expected. The roof 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted in miles per station. Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pope Air Force Base. And lake hail damage to vehicles is expected. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a Southern Pines has been issued until 4:30 p.m. in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, and Richmond. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. PM. Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. South of Hamlet to near Trail, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rayford, and damaging hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Rapidly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Hoke, Richmond, and Scotland. On the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County and central North Carolina, Scotland. Cumberland County in central North Carolina, along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Pope Air Force Base to Rayford to near Laurinburg to 35 miles. Storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Sanford to 7 this evening, then clear after most indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Rayford, Wilmington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Act. Expects damage to roofs, siding. Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Lee, Moore, Richmond, Sampson, and Scotland. Lows. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wayne County in central North Carolina. North Carolina until 6:50. Any size hail. Source: North Point has been canceled. Entries. Location: Cleo. Hazards. Severe severe thunderstorm watch. Benson, Godwin, and Hope Mills. For your protector, activation is not at 5:06 p.m. Severe thunderstorms will. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, Sampson, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson. Mills. For your and Warren. Remember, on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Fairmont, or 10 miles east of Dillon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Fairmont around 5:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Orem and Pontorville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Flood advisory